How to use Amazon Digital Rewards. Open up Amazon, then you want to click on your name here. Once you select your name, then you want to locate gift cards and just click on gift cards. Here it is going to display your gift card balance and also any digital rewards which you may have on your account with Amazon. Now how can we use them? You want to add items to your cart, and then we're going to select add or go to cart, and then you will just click on proceed to checkout. Now it is going to look like this, and it's going to show you the option use a gift card, voucher or promo code once you click on the payment method. So we're just going to click on that option here, and right here if you have digital rewards you will be able to find them in this field. So you can apply your digital reward points from this section here as long as you have them. And once you have added them, it's going to deduct the total from your amount, and it's going to show you how much it's going to cost in total from here. And then you will just click on use this payment method. You will confirm your payment method, and that is how you use your rewards. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.